Deaf New Yorkers are suing Governor Andrew Cuomo for not providing sign language interpreters during his daily coronavirus briefings. You might have noticed our governor has not consistently had an interpreter either, especially the last couple of weeks. DeSantis' office tells WPTV when announcements are quick to organize, the office has struggled to get an interpreter in time, and they've had concerns with social distancing. We're also told when he travels, the governor relies on local municipalities for an interpreter. They say they're working on a solution.
And Jay, interpreters tell us that when new information can save lives, access to understanding that information is key. WPTV News Channel 5's Ashley Walters caught up with one interpreter who says it's all about bridging the gap.
While hearing from governors across the country, the interpreter for the deaf might be the one who really catches your eye. Every movement is part of sign language grammar and tone.
The way you tilt your head, the way you move your eyebrows, wrinkling your nose, what you do with your teeth, your lips, your tongue.
Drew Wan is a nationally certified interpreter who's worked for Florida Governor Ron DeSantis multiple times during the COVID-19 crisis. Interpreting in American Sign Language, or ASL, Wan must rapidly convey complex and new terms and ideas to a diverse deaf audience. ASL is not English. Closed captioning is not always enough.
They're reading it in their second language. Think about if you had to take in critical information in your second language. How much would you understand?
To prepare, Juan absorbs news constantly and watches other interpreters. Many of the best interpreters you see are deaf themselves and have an interpreter of their own nearby. The language is always evolving, with the deaf community creating new words and phrases every day.
Deaf people will often give examples and categories. So when PPE comes up, you'll see a lot of interpreters say, you know, gloves, mask, gown, and so on.
It's a moment in history.
I think you will find this incredible rich culture is right there in your backyard, and you'll only benefit by being a part of it.
One Juan hopes will create an opportunity for understanding.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much.
Ashley Walters, WPTV News Channel 5.